Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. But as you can see, I'm in the indoor garden. I just getting excited again about African violets. I used to be a really crazy African violet person, African violet of the month and all that stuff. Drove my wife crazy, almost just threw me out. But I'm back again, but hopefully not killing anybody on these things. These two violets are almost finished, but they've been flowering for a good long time. I love having color in the house. Have a few orchids and certainly some house plants. But I'm going to take you. I'm in my office, and it's not exactly the greatest place. But this is what I do when they're in flower, but without. Sorry about that. But behind my computers here, so my good wife doesn't get too crazy with all the nonsense I'm doing, I have my little recovery area. So when my violets aren't in flower, I put them under the lights here. They're just fluorescent lights. You don't need grow lights for this. And let them get going. And so when these things start really rocking and rolling again, I'll bring them out and put them in the office or the living room. Anyway, I love my African violets. Gives you something to look at, something to think about. And I just ordered some more, I'm afraid. All the best. Let's garden no matter where we are. Take care.